Are you an entrepreneur looking to dive into inventory management system development? It's not just a smart move, it's the move. In a world where supply chains are growing more complex, businesses need solutions to stay efficient, agile, and ahead of the curve. From retail to e-commerce, healthcare to logistics, inventory management is the backbone of countless industries. By developing a powerful system, you can help businesses make smarter decisions, maintain stock levels, and respond quickly to changing market needs. The inventory management software market is booming, and here's your chance to ride the wave. With innovative solutions, you can position yourself as an industry leader while solving real-world challenges. Ready to build your inventory management system? Wondering how to get started? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll walk you through the types of solutions you can develop and the step-by-step process to create a powerful inventory management system. Types of inventory management solutions. Let's start with the types of inventory management solutions you can develop. Tailor your system to specific industries for maximum impact. Here are a few ideas. 1. Medical inventory management software. Healthcare facilities thrive on precision. Medical inventory software simplifies tracking medications, equipment, and consumables. This reduces wastage, avoids shortages, and ensures better patient care. With consistent demand from healthcare providers, this niche offers great profit potential. 2. Hospitality inventory management software. Hotels and restaurants rely on efficient inventory systems to manage food, beverages, and amenities. By reducing waste and managing costs, your software can become the secret weapon for hospitality businesses looking to stay ahead. 3. Retail inventory control software. Retail businesses, especially in e-commerce, need accurate tracking and replenishment systems. Your software can help avoid overstocking or stockouts, boosting efficiency and creating loyal customers. 4. Fleet inventory management software. Fleet-based companies require precise inventory systems for vehicle parts and tools. Tap into this market by offering solutions that save costs and improve productivity. 5. Warehouse inventory management software. Warehouses are the backbone of supply chains. An efficient inventory management system ensures smooth operations, accurate tracking, and effective storage utilization. With global trade and e-commerce booming, this market is ripe for innovation. Step-by-step guide. Development of an inventory management system. Now that you know the types of solutions, let's dive into the process of creating your ideal inventory management system. Step 1. Discovery phase. Start with market research. Understand your target audience, identify their pain points, and outline your business goals. Study your competition to find gaps you can fill with your solution. This phase is critical for building a strong foundation. Step 2. Development phase. Next, hire a skilled development team. Focus on integrating essential features like real-time tracking, user-friendly interfaces, and advanced analytics. Remember, simplicity and functionality are key. Step 3. Testing and deployment. Before launching, rigorously test your software to fix any bugs. Once it's ready, deploy it to your audience with confidence. A smooth launch builds trust and sets the stage for success. Step 4. Post-deployment. Your work doesn't stop after launch. Regular updates, maintenance, and user feedback are crucial to keeping your software relevant and valuable. Must-have features. To make your inventory management system stand out, include smart features like periodic scans, IoT integrations, digital labeling, automatic stock replenishment, and cloud-based storage. These features enhance functionality, attract users, and keep your platform ahead of the competition. So, are you ready to turn your vision into reality? With the right strategy, development team, and innovative features, you can create an inventory management system that transforms businesses and positions you as a leader in the industry. At RichestSoft, we specialize in bringing your ideas to life with cutting-edge technology and expertise. Let's build something amazing together. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on software development. See you in the next video.